Bruh.
This is black little cat.
Hey, babe, what that say? The last one?
No alcoholic beverages. Huh? They got a fire over there. Let's go out some firewood. Alright, this is a better stick. It's more burnable. So, let's throw these in. There's no privacy here at this campsite, y'all. So beware. That's the. You think about the whole. Oh my God, let's go. A new log. Let's see what's in here, guys. God.
I got pooped out.
Get it, nice.
I think they like that. Yeah, I know.
So we found this firewood, $5 a bundle, and they take demo. He is going to take us to his other site. He said about
a mile down.
About 35 miles. No, just about a mile down.
About a mile down the road.
And we're just going to
So we're trying to stay warm. Y'all know I get cold quick. I'm old.
He just like fire.
I'm old bone. You know what I'm saying?
Him and these two.
What do I do?
Them two.
Like
I'm responsible.
the device.
She like them babies.
She gonna come out for a second. Oh, a fire. Then she gonna go back.
Wait a minute, I'll be out there. Now I'll be out there.
So all of this.
Yeah, the whole little power there.
That whole pile right there with them between them red posts.
Yeah.
You can take all that
For
for
25?
25. Yep.
All right, bet.
You take that. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh gosh. We got all this for $25. And it's still a whole bunch. We got wood.
Shit, you can't beat that, does
I'm gonna burn as much as I want. Ain't too long where that came from. We can leave that. Oh, you want him back for some more?
Hey,
He going firewood
I
crazy.
feel some type of way, buddy. Say, y'all need some firewood.
on the wood. So we found where the potable water is. And we gotta clear this to get access to the hitch.
Yeah, we can't hook up without the hitch being visible. Invisible. Yes, sir. Hey, and we still got some more in the back of the truck.
So we got this stuff here. Supposed to make the fire a color. Only one. Right there. I just put the fire color flame in it.
It's like a stick that goes in there.
What is this?
This is a volcano. I'm supposed to extract it. Well, first I need to build it, and then I have to extract it. I'm gonna do that.
One of my favorite channels to watch.
I got this, and I forgot where my bubble gun is at. I forgot where my bubble gun is at.
Is that?
Step 3 is to put it back. Put it right there.
Catch it?
Yes,
Can you do
You
it?
gotta blow.
Got back.
They
We
got
like to eat.
smart idea.
We had to go 30 minutes to get some Chinese food. My lord. They got all.
Hey, hey, we had to go
Had some more.
to the campfire, baby.
Got some Hershey's.
Got some chips.
I need people to be stingy on their condiments, bruh. Look, I got all the hot sauce I could grab for real. You know what I'm saying?
You grab this
What?
stuff. That's what
They be stingy.
they gave us.
Heck no. They had it out. I'm taking. You know what I'm saying? They ain't stealing. Now when you spend $70 on Chinese food. Hey, family. I'm about to mix this. I never show y'all what I'm mixing
We
with.
need to stop drinking those.
I do, but man, look, man, look.
Full of sugar.
Hey, it's like the Energizer Bunny at nighttime. You feel me? It don't stop.
How you not like cup holders?
Let me see your
I get
marshmallow.
one. It look good.
Damn.
You said look good.
I get one.
Oh,
I get one.
watch my cup. Let me use the cup holder.
I get some good.
Crispy with the crunch.
Boy, y'all sick.
No.
I break it in half and see all the good stuff.
That's how I like my bacon.
Except mine not burnt. I guess.
Here. Yeah. It's a some more.
It's Emily.
Yeah. Bruh.
This one's mine.
Marshmallow, please. May look.
That's burnt.
Wait, look. Just look.
No, looks can be deceiving.
Yep.
Looks can be deceiving. You know, I like mine with a little char. You know what I'm saying? Just a little char.
I'll miss mine.
Not too much, but just enough.
Who been getting from this pile?
Robbie.
Look how she get in there.
Wait.
How she use her back to get this.
Get in there. Y'all see that breed? Ooh.
Hush it up.
Oh. Y'all got to try this.
Called it the surf.
That's what they do on the corner when they be trying to. Never mind.
Wait, what?
Them GTA girls.
Yep.
The brothers. I had the brothers.
Hey.
You said the brothers.
What the did you do?
My check. Wait, I'm not a boy. I help collect a lot.
The brothers and the
Look, but you ain't get
sister.
N-words.
Cut.
Cut.
Just had to run,
This is
bro.
what you get.
Nope.
Wait, is he getting mine? What? Is he getting mine? Yep. Harry, stop hitting that stuff. Get it. Pick it up. Hey, pick it up. What is that? Pick it up. Oh, you said pick it up. What is this? What is this? Ah, I quit. I don't get paid anymore.
He said he gonna keep your last paycheck.
Oh no. No,
He said we'll get to work.
y'all, I get to work.
Y'all, they get.
What is that? What is that? This is how y'all do it.
He can tell you what to do. He can manage to work. He's a good worker.
I don't get paid enough for this.
You're just reflecting on life in front of a nice warm campfire. You know?
Reflect on all the bad things you've done.
Are they working?
The fire's when you're right there, you can't get it.
Bruh. Daddy, you finna burn this out.
Now what if I would just pour water all over you? Think your ass is on fire?
You don't pour no damn water on me. Because water not going to put it out.
If it's on you,
I'm not a class A fire.
class A human.
Bye, guys.